This 2024 Forest River Sunseeker 2860DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, slide-out, skylight, water heater, microwave, oven, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2024 Forest River Sunseeker 2860DS is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.